Please stop. Don't trade today until you see this analysis, until you watch this video. AGUSD 001 is here. Let's break down the markets. Let me break down the market. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever the time zone you are turning in from. You already know my name and you already know what we are doing. For all my subscribers, I really appreciate. For those of you that my video just pump up to your screen, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. Please, for all of you that is using my signal, please kindly don't forget to use the risk management, and please the assist and the entry. Don't forget it. You understand? And let's just do going. Today is the last day of the week, which is Friday. Let's see what opportunity market want to print for us this Friday, and maybe we enjoy the Friday profits now. So before we go into the chart, let's see what we have in the news. You can see today is 15th of Friday. There's no impact news. There is no impact news. So we guys see what we let's move to the chart. Let's see what chart has for us. Yeah, this is the chart and this is what we are having. Let's start from good. No, let's start from sliver before we can start from good. This is it. This is what we have from daily time frame. This is our swing high. You can see this is our swing high here, and this is our swing low over here. This is our swing low, and this is our swing high. And this is the minor swing blue here that market just created. So let's now move to 4 hours since we have plotted our swing high and swing low and we have seen the direction of the market. So let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours is trying to give us. This is 4 hours, and if you read the structure, this is what we are seeing. This is break of structure, this is change of character, this is another break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. Market set this liquidity over here, it's here this demand and starting giving us uptrend. And this is recent break of structure market gave us. But which supply push this market? This is the supply that said is going to push the market down, and market supply push the market down, and this is the next supply we are expecting the market. So this is the supply. So this is demand, and this is the other block. And you can see this are liquidity. Market need to sweat. You can see market has sweat this liquidity. Market sweat the liquidity. Yesterday we are expecting the market to mitigate this one to retrace before we can see it reach down. But this one does not what you guys. So this one that we played since here since the last since since Tuesday or Wednesday safe. You can see it's going in a direction, and the next trade we are expecting is buy. This is where we are going to buy the market. So we are buying the market from here. You can see this is our demand. This break also, this is demand and give us this is demand where the buyer enter. And this is the market structure shift. So this is what we are having. This is a liquidity. So we are expecting the market to serve the liquidity, and the buyer we anticipate from here. This is where we are buying the market as usual. We have said we are buying from here. So probably the market is coming down, we are buying from there because this is a liquidity market need to sell, and there is what FEG on 4 hour time frame. Market is going to trigger us in from here. So let's be patient and wait for the market. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is bringing us. This is 1 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, this is the other block we are seeing here. Let's see if you want to sell. So if you want to sell the market from here, you can sell the market from over there. Let's move to 4 hours. This is it. Um, because market broken it and market has retested. So we are still expecting the sell again. I'm still expecting the sell. Let me just place the sell if the sell can trigger me in. I'm still expecting the sell. So let me see if I can place the sell again. Let me just my mind is not taking this trade. So like, I'll wait from this buy. I will just wait for the market to mitigate this demand before I can say any buy. So is it that to be chasing market up and down, down to be take that to be is it that I wait for my setup that to be chasing market up and down. So this is my setup now. So I'm waiting for the market to trigger me in from here. So this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. So let's move to good. Let's see what good has for us. This is good. This is what good has for us. From daily time frame, this is our swing high, and this is our swing low, and this is the minor swing low market just created. Let's move to daily time frame. So this is 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure. This is the change of character. This is the break of structure, and market has showed this liquidity. You can see this is the liquidity market gave us. Market structure shift, and we are expecting the market to mitigate here before we can say we are buying to this demand. You can see market not respected this. Market did not respected this other block. You can see what market give. All this one are liquidity market just set. You can see market after market showed this liquidity, we are seeing an uptrend. Seriously. We are seeing an uptrend. This is a resistance. So if market will broke this one, retest this place, market will break this resistance, retest it and continue the uptrend. So this is the supply we are expecting in the market. If market does not wait here, it will retest, mitigate this supply. This is the next supply we are expecting the market to mitigate it before we can see it down again. But as for now, we are still expecting the buy. So let market come to this demand. If market mitigate this demand, if market mitigate this demand zone, definitely we are buying uptrend. We are buying. You can see all what the market did from Monday. From Monday, you can see how the market from Monday, see how the market is doing. So definitely we are buying from here. We are buying from here. So let's be focused on this buy. This way we are buying. Our buy is still active. So don't let us be fear. Let fear your scale. So let's move to US30. Sorry for that. This is US30. This is the swing high here. And this is the swing low. This is the last break also change of character. And this is what market is doing for us. As for me, I'm still expecting this is the last break of structure market gave us, and this is an inducement, and this does not break with full body candle. This is a what a resistance market. You can see this is a resistance market. I'm expecting the market to what to give us bullish. But if you see yesterday, market trigger us out. Market trigger us out. Definitely market trigger us out with on 1 hour time frame. You can see market is just showing a weak candle at the top. Definitely the seller are still active. The seller are still trying to push the market down. So market trigger us out, and let's see if we can see the opportunity for sell again. This is 4 hour time frame, but the market does not what break with full body candle. So I'm still expecting the market to because there's liquidity here. This is what the time frame gave us. This is the demand zone, and this is our liquidity. Let's see if we can see another buy to break this last high, the higher high. So this is for our time frame. This is 4 hour time frame, and if you read the 4 hour time frame, this is a resistance market just created for us. And what we are having now, let's just see what we can see. I'm still anticipating for sell. I'm still anticipating for sell. Seriously. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see where we can sell the market. We can sell the market from here because there's FEG here. And if you see the 4 hour time frame, there's FEG here, in which we are still expecting another sell from this market. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame, and our stop loss will be above over there, above over there, and our stop and our take entry. Let's define it for 1 hour time frame. Our entry will be here. So let us be patient. Let's see what the market is trying to do. Let's see if the sell is going to active because I'm still expecting the sell again. I'm still expecting from the for 1 hour time frame. You can see what market did from 1 hour time frame. So for 4 hour time frame, I'm still let's see if we can see a sell again. Because market does not break this resistance. If market break this resistance, it will retest and continue the uptrend. But market does not break this resistance. It's quickly going. If you see these are liquidity. These are liquidity. And market quickly come back into the resistance zone. And I'm expecting the market to mitigate this FEG before we can see a huge down trend again. Let's see if the sell is going to active. So I'm still expecting, let's see if the sell is going to active from here. So this is what I'm seeing on US 30. I'm still expecting sell because this is the way demand has well. So all this one market just created a liquidity market just need to sweat. So let's move to G GU. This is GU. This is what we are having on GU. This is the swing high here, and this is the swing low here. So if market probably come back here, let's say this one will be as what? This one will be as liquidity set. But what is happening here from supply on daily time frame, this is where the market mitigated. From supply on daily time frame, this is what from daily time frame. But let's just see the market. This is the last break of structure. So market gave us this is the demand market gave us on daily time frame. What market did was what? Market has break it with full body candle. Definitely let's be expecting a downtrend. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what I'm having on 4 hour time frame. I've already said, if you see last week video, I've said this place is serve as liquidity that I'm not trusting this place anymore. I'm not trusting that place anymore. That market may respect that place. And if we read the market from daily time frame, this is the last break customer market gave us, and this is for change of character. So definitely on 4 hour time frame, let's be respecting the market. If we try to use Fibonacci retracement, this is Fibonacci retracement. So on 4 hour time frame, this is the demand zone. On 4 hour time frame, this is the demand zone. If market is trying to come back, this is the demand zone we are trying to buy. We're gonna buy the market. We are trying to buy we try the market. The demand zone we are going to buy the market. But let's just see what market did. This is the supply the market need to touch. But what market did, market swept this liquidity over here. Market break this structure, it can turn to what? This is what let's be expecting if you can see that trend now. And let's just see this market. You can see this sell hit our TP, but I did not enter this market seriously. I did not enter this market. I will not lie, I did not enter this market. So what we are expecting now, let's just see if we can see a wood down, but we are buying from here. This way we are buying the market again because there's a liquidity up. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. If we see a recent trend to join 1 hour time, This is 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure, and let's just see if we can see a downtrend. If I can see a continued downtrend on this market, because market may mitigate this space again. This serve as a liquidity. Market may mitigate this place again before we can see a huge downtrend again. Because this is liquidity, but we are still expecting down. But this is where we are buying. If you want to buy the market, I'm buying the market from here. On GU, I'm buying the market from there. For the sell, this is where I'm selling. But we don't know what market may react to this, because this is a liquidity also that's near the market. And there's FEG over here. Because there's FEG over here. Market may just reacted to here and continue the downtrend. You can see. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see, if you can see a breaker blockers. This is not, you can see if the market may mitigate here and continue the downtrend. That's what I'm looking for. So let's move to EU. Let's see what's happened on EU. This is EU. From daily time frame, this is the break of short. This is the break of structure data beginning. Well, this is what this is the this is the swing high here, and this is the swing low here. You can see what is happening, and this is what we are having. This is the last break of structure, and this is change of character for the liquidity sweep. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is where the market is. You can see how the market is reacting. I'm expecting the market to mitigate this year, but what market did was what market did not touch that other block and continue the downtrend. But this is the last break of structure market gave us, and what we are having now, I'm seeing a breaker block here. I'm seeing a breaker. I'm seeing a breaker block here. So all this, after seeing a breaker block over here, so I'm expecting the market to mitigate this opportunity before I can see a huge downtrend. So let's be expecting another sell seriously, because we are still having AVG. So let's just, if I use Fibonacci retracement, let's make Fibonacci is matrix. So this is demand that gave us the buy. So if possible, the market is coming down. Market is coming to this demand. Let's be expecting the market to cut this way, because there's liquidity over here. There's double top here. You can see double bottom over here. So yes. So let's be expecting another sell from here. Yeah. So let's see if the sell is going to active. On UJ also, you can see where this is where the SPFK said is going to active. We are still. Let's move to UJ. Let's see what is happening on UJ. This is what is happening on UJ. Let's see what is happening on UJ. With this one, I just screen it. Market have said this liquidity, but what I'm seeing on UJ, this is what this is the swing high, and this is the swing low. This serves as breaker block for me. This hours breaker block for me. So after serving as breaker block, I'm expecting the sell. I'm expecting the sell from here, but I'm still expecting the sell from here. On what? Because this is the swing high and this is what the swing low. And this is demand. So I'm still expecting the sell because this is our liquidity market just gave us. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. You can see what market just did. Market has swept this liquidity over here. Market has swept this liquidity. So let's just be looking for a let's be looking for a downtrend. I'm still expecting the market to come down on 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This one market give us market structure shifts mitigated it. So let's be expecting the sell again. If you want to take the trade from 15-minute time frame, you can see what market just did. Break of market structure shift, shift, and what market mitigated here. So let's be continue. Let's see the downtrend. I'm still expecting the downtrend. So the downtrend is valid. All these ones are liquidity market need to sell before you can see uptrend. So the downtrend is valid on what on USDJPY. And if you move to 1 hour time frame, our stop loss will be here. So let's see what it's going to do. Let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is. You can see GU has figured us out. Let's read GU from daily time frame. You can see this is GU. This is what the market gave us on GU. This is what we structure, and this is the main demand zone here. This is the swing low, and this is the swing high here. So what we are having now, we are having a breaker block also on what on it. You can see this is what we are having. This is what breaker block. After the breaker block on daily time frame, you can see market has. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. You can see market has swept this liquidity here. Mm. Yeah, now, no do. Market has swept this liquidity over here. And what we are having now, after market touches, the market is giving us downtrend. But I'm still expecting the market to come down because what? This is a liquidity. On daily time frame, this market has swept this liquidity, you can see. So I'm still expecting the downtrend. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is 4 hour time frame. This is what I'm seeing now. This is the market structure shift on 4 hour time frame. And this is other block. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time to define the entry. This is 1 hour time frame. Let me see if there is this hour's liquidity. You can see on 1 hour time frame, on 4 hour time frame. Let me see there. On 4 hour time frame, this does not serve as liquidity anymore, self. Because I'm coming. Let me use this horizontal line. So on 4 hour time frame, this is giving us the opportunity, and there's FVG over there. So let's see if we can see a downtrend from here also. See, especially the sell. Let's see if you can see a downtrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. After market sweat, after liquidity sweat, after the liquidity of the sweat, so let's see if you can see a downtrend again. I'm still expecting a downtrend. So if you want to take it for 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame, you can just take your trend from here. You can see if you want to take your trend from here, you can just take your trend from here or from this FED. So let's be expecting the downtrend. The downtrend is still valid. Let's be expecting the downtrend is still valid, seriously. Let's see. This is what the market has for us. Let's see crypto. Let's see if crypto has opportunity for us. I'm still expecting the gold to touch, and I'm still expecting the silver to touch. So let's see if crypto has opportunity for us. You can see market has triggered us in crypto self from 4 hour time frame. This is it. This is the FEG we plotted on 4 hour time frame. Market has triggered the FEG and take us in. So let's be expecting the downtrend again. So if you want to take the trade, let's move to for 15 minutes. Want to take this trend for 15 minutes? Take it for 15 minutes. This is the last break of structure. This is the break of structure. Market has checked this equity. So market is still coming down. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what Ethereum has for us also. You can see Ethereum. This is what Ethereum has for us also. On Ethereum also, this is the last break of structure. And this is the other. This is the other block. You can see market trigger the other block and giving us down fighting for downtrend. So let's be expecting the downtrend. If you want to take the opportunity from 15-minute time frame, you can see the 15-minute time frame is telling us downtrend. So it's better to leave the market and continue the downtrend than to be chasing market up or down. So the opportunity has gone. So let's just wait for the market to create another opportunity. What we have now is just let's wait for the market to create another opportunity because we are in that trend. But if you want to take this opportunity, you can just say this is the low. You can see this is the low now. After this is the low, we just go to 15-minute time frame to see break and retest of 15-minute time frame. This is the second. See, this is the second opportunity if you want to take this opportunity. This is the second opportunity if you want to take this opportunity. Just basically to that's the opportunity market gave us. So this is what I'm seeing on the inside. This is the opportunity market just created for us. So let's be patient and stay focused. So if you want more of this, kindly don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from the video. Peace and love. Have a successful day and have a successful day and have a profitable day. Have a successful and profitable in this trading journey in any other skills you are doing. Peace and love. Peace and love. Love you. Thanks.